Welcome to your regularly episode of Scoop. Nope, redo. Welcome to your regularly scheduled episode of Scoop.
We're just starting with the New Year, New Us.
New Year, New Us. Welcome to another regularly scheduled episode of Scoop. So, what's happening now, Larry?
We have library renovations.
Why are you so awkward?
Because I haven't done this in a while, dude.
That's why you don't leave.
What do you mean leave?
I don't know. What do we have?
We have library renovations. In the library, we have library renovations. What do we do there?
Okay, so what's happening in school now, Larry?
Well, the library is having renovations starting this month. So if you actually regularly go to the library, please refrain from going there, as there is... Why are you laughing at me, dude?
Why would you say that?
Okay, so there are new renovations happening in the library, the senior school library, and it's basically going to be closed off for a while. So if you're going to go there, please don't expect to be able to read any of the senior school books, as it will be closed off. And if you want to work there, there's the one section where you can work, but the section where you guys usually work, you guys as in senior school, you will not be able to work there. And yeah. Second, we have
robotics. Congratulations to the robotics contestants.
the two teams did incredibly well. One came in 6th place and the other came in 7th, and we're really proud of them for what they have achieved. And third,
We have the IB deadlines for grade 12.
as Larry said, the IB deadlines are out. Ibutiwi has sent us an email on our Outlook, emails us as in the grade 12 students. So please check your emails to see what the deadlines are, what the upcoming deadlines are, so you stay on task. Fourth,
We have volleyball. This month, Mr. Chris has invited all of us to join the volleyball team, both girls and boys. They are still looking for team members, so please join the after-school activities.
the after-school activities take place on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday after school, Friday after school, and Wednesday before school. What time?
Some of us join at 6, but you can join at 6:45.
There's also soccer and basketball happening. For soccer, there's a match on Saturday, the Saturday after youth camp. It's a home game and it's against SPAC KV, so please come watch and support. And for the boys who are playing, please be ready because we don't want to lose anymore. Yeah, so, and girls as well, they have a game on Saturday, September the 21st as well, at home against KV. This is a trend.
Speaking of which, does the SMP basketball have something?
The SMP basketball
Does have a Saturday.
have a Saturday game. All sports teams basically have a game on Saturday. For the soccer, it's at home against KV, and for basketball, it's away. And last but not least, youth camp. It's in 2 days. Please be ready for whatever you've been told to brought. Please pack your bags, eat your lunch, eat your breakfast. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Oh, right, okay, so youth camp, September 18th, be there, or you will not be there, or be squared. And the new students must put in money for the house team t-shirts. So for youth camp, for the house team shirts, please go to the bookstore and pay beforehand to get your house team shirt. And if you have any further questions, please consult with
Mr. Chris.
Yes, please consult with Mr. Chris. We also have a TED event happening at our school on September 28th, which is a Saturday. It's in 2 weeks from when this video comes out. And please buy tickets. If you want to ask anyone, please email Dira or Kath for tickets. The prices now are $40,000, so please be ready with your money if you buy tickets. And yeah, that's it for this week's scoop of news. You like that? We're back. Have a good day. That's your daily scoop of news. We're out.
Scoops out.
Scoops out. 3, 2, 1. That's your daily scoop. Oh. Okay, so that's your daily scoop of news. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Tweet me at Please like and subscribe and click the like button down below and subscribe button down below. Hope you have a great day. Peace out.